Okay, phansi kuba bengike ndasho ngathi masike silibale ngoGeneral Mkhwanazi sesingaqalisa ukumkhumbula kancinci sipha kuNovember mos. Hayi ke ifikile ke ngokulendile ipolitical killings task team bafika babriefa into ba as from today going forward nina lamasana nizabe nihamba nawo noba niyaphi. I'm sure the only time behlukana abahlukanayo it's when maybe besiya ku restroom, otherwise apho besiya khona bahamba nabantu bagwadwe 24 hours. Yethi lento hayiba umjida uba witness ebe cheater ndisho into ba imoshekile lo relationship because bekwanyanzeleka ba akayithi nje kancinci because nobe siya khona bezanyanzeleka yambi laba bantu akasenayo yakhe impilo nobuya uya epartying yako wabona kakade uhambi yokugadiwe so into ezinisa akasakhona ukuzenza. So sesiyabona ke silendile political killings task team. Fast forward asizuyibalisa yonke lento. Fast forward kuyo arrestwa ke ngisebeyifumene warrant of arrest kuyobanjwa uKatiso Molefe. Bafethu i-arrest yaKatiso Molefe movie ndisayicingela ba kwezi movie ngeke ndazibukela xa ngikhula ngizayibiza bayephi. Bafikile bafike begacele ke ba ready ngo TRT political killings task team nami SAPS nje zimembers nje baliqedlana. Bafikile xa bafika bakhwaze uba bangamaphoyisa bafuna ukungena kwathi ngathi bayasokoliswa nje kancinci but eventually bangena. Abengena bathi bangene kunendoda begacile not kancinci bathi noba ibigacile into ezi4 because bathi biphethe RR igacile nasesinqeni igacile nje apha nalapha. Okay, because ngathi bathi bezi4 bathi we had ukuthi sim sikwazi ukuzithatha izinto ezifune nama license. Luckily their license baze babuza into ba why into imigaxo kangaka izinto ezithini because noKatiso yena self ngathi naye ngegacele but babale 1 for uKatiso bafuna license zakhona zivele license zakhona bafuna ukwazi into bazi nezibhamu zonezi license bazithatha phi ivele umcimbi walapha uGeneral Mkhwanazi wayeke wayithetha into ba baze ba create nama security companies so that bazokwazi ukuthola iaccess yezibhamu. So izibhamu zakhona ivele into ngathi license but ibenze worried by man even ezezikulu nazi didn't control license but vele kuba okay maybe it's through security companies. Bafethu bathe bese busy khona ne-search ke apha because abaza ngo-arrest aqhaba behamba babhizi bayisearcha nendlu. Xa besearch indlu babone nobo CCTV xa bebona ukuthi okay indlu yakhona inazona cameras bafuna ukuyazi ukuthi umchini lo o controller lama cameras uphi because bafuna ukuhamba nawo uzabanceda mos into bababone into ba ngobani bebengena apha ngobani bebephuma apha especially with the fact ba bebesebeshow into ba warrant officer lo ba lo wabe wayebanjiwe but seketholile ibail ngoku futhi ibail yakhona nayo ithole njengendlela engaqondakali eyithola ngokuthi reason yakhe diabetic. Futhi baninzi abafowethu abangaphakathi be-diabetic benjalo. K-sharp waphumile ke ngokena ngendlela akaphume ngayo well and good. So bafuna umchini kube khona lapha ekitchen angathi act uKatiso ngokungathi nguwo umchini ocontrolayo. Hayi bazama ukuchecka besajonge njalo kube khona ongathi into yokuthiwa ayimabizwe i-IT zasinxa xa ifika i-IT ifike ethi hayi ayisebenzi lento. Upho wena mthini osebenzayo lapha endlini ingathi awusense ngendlela zakhe ke utsho njalo because uthi he did his work ngendlela yakhe and I find out ba ku main bedroom ku master bedroom ahambe ku main bedroom lapho efumene khona umchini undoqondoqo wale umchini wale nto controller i-cameras. Ayike vele bathathe yonke into bebefuna ukuyithatha ba pick up ba hayi man nanku nento engathi office lapha endlini inamaphepha le office i-documents ezininzi ezinye zezi documents zifaka la Transnet ubanyamkhumbulo amanswarti into yakhona ubulewe because beke nobu whistleblower obuthizeni obunokwenza ne-Transnet nanku ama documents amaninzi kwenza ne-Transnet ukuthi abazange bamba uKatiso yedwa apha bebezobamba uKatiso Molefe plus nomchana wakhe uLucky Molefe ongathi wena maqhuzu obeke sebenza e-Transnet obeke nale connection lena. Okay, but abamfumananga ngebatsho njalo bazange bamfumane from then I think nangoku apha thini la bebengeka mbophi uLucky Molefe ongumchana la. So abe nento kuba uKatiso athaya kusinto zakhe izinto zabantwana umntana wakhe plus umchana wakhe nani akazani lezo zinto baze ba pick up noba kunama documents kuyabonakala mase umuntu xakezama ukupractice isignature yomuntu usayine kaninzi uyambona usayina kaninzi ngepenye ezihlukahlukene nje ubushikashika nje ngathi bunjalo. Hayi bobathe bese busy ku operation kwathiwa igate ziyakhala alendile ama hawks azosabela kwenzekati hayibo hayi ke ahambe witness eyayosabela find out ba ngama-Hawks atsho into ba hayi noba busy operation so hayibo zifuna uku-interferisha i-Hawks zifuna as if zifuna two things as if zifuna ukutake her over okanye nje baze but abekho sesayidini laba ababhizi nge-operation bangamasiphoyisa apha bafuna ukwazi uku-update wana ngomcimbi we-case nani of which it's something angaqhelekanga mani into yoba si-update abantu because i-interference yonke la sikwazi ukupha i-information nge-case especially sensitive kanje. Ibiziwe ke I think nguKruger umuntu wakho Officer Kruger lo oweside lama-Hawks. Hayi bangasibhaya bam nge-political killings asingasibhaya and usually xa kufika ama-Hawks bagoba inhloko usually amapolisa agoba inhloko hayi political killings atayi bazifumana idocket phofu nedocket abasehlukani nedocket ne idocket usually ihlala eofisini but from the time betibona ukuthi kune risk engakanani kwathiwa idocket akusamelekanga ngihlala eofisini behla besenyuka nedocket ubalala nayo lala phansi komqamelo xa belala well and good hayibo mamelana nako kwenzeka bathe besesebhizi njalo sesekhona eSocks noba xa zibona baziyoyisakala ngoba kugaxilwe apha abafuna ama-political killings teams including aba bonke ezithi unit ezilapha zifuni and bayabona ngathi sokuzaba khona ubungozi obuthile hayi ndoda kwafika ihelicopter yandiza phezu kwendlu kakatisi yathi hayibo ithi nalento xa beyijonga bayipick up into hayi mani yasesiphoyiseni yona as a result yakho iye yaconfirma later on babukeka kwa-traffic cop yama-traffic cop i-helicopter yakhona yakwa-traffic helokatisa omkhulu lona bafethu yazi xa kebalisa u-witness A ne uza kwenza ube awebi i-Gauteng incigqithi because yonke lento in such a short space of time bafika nini abantu abangaka besuka kwezindawo ezihlukahlukile kodwa ke bafika ibhabhe for about 10 minutes or if not mistaken i-helicopter nayo ke phofu ifonelo into yoba mayikize izosabela uba ithini into yakhona mamela uthini u-witness uthi unayo into ethi go because ngoku remember xa bebesenza iplane yabo bebesazi into yoba bazathi Fez uzama kula kona uzabloka la kona omunye uzabloka la kona omunye abloke la kona nani in terms of xa besenza i-planning yabo to execute le operation abazoyenza le arrest xa kushuba but abebengenayo into ethi ebhoni abanayo iplan asemoyeni ba into esayithini because osemoyeni banayo into ethi une-advantage mose yoba uzadlala athi bobo hayi but still kuthiwa bathi nje abafana relaxani qubani nina ngomsebenzi akhonto abazoyenza bafethu that was like le nto ne yabona iNetflix kusamele yenze i-documentary yona documentary siyifunayo lena as opposed to lezi ezinye documentary abazenzayo ezabo ntontoni and the Beast, Beauty and the Beast or whatever yona lona nansi yona documentary siyifunayo hayi bafethu ngena apha ke ngoku General Mkhwanazi kuqala kwakhe ke ngoku